So we are live. We are
Hi.
starting right from the beginning of the video. No more image, no more muted sound. We are right here for Christmas. We are here with you, and we are waiting for the first people to come out and watch our live video, watch our giveaway. We need to choose the winners today to make some beautiful Christmas presents to the people who registered. And for doing this I need to also copy the names of everyone who has registered.
Is there any way to get all the comments
No,
in CSV format?
no, you'll have to copy and paste them, but fortunately they're not that many.
Yeah, fortunately. I mean, well, it depends on how we put it.
Well, yeah, so fortunate because compared to other channels who are using giveaways to grow, we are just using the giveaways to reward our users because we want to grow because our content, because you like our content. We don't just want to grow for the sake of growing. I want everyone who watches our channel to really become a good programmer and to fulfill his dreams. So I don't get, oh my god, so many messages.
Give me my present. People are excited.
Whoa, there's so many people.
I guess they're waiting for us to announce the winner.
17 already. Yeah. Okay, but before announcing the winners, we also, as you might know me, I like doing productive things. I like encouraging people to do stuff that is good for them. So we're gonna talk about what you can do during the Christmas holidays, how you can become a better programmer so that you don't waste the holidays. As you may know, because you're probably also watching the Facebook group, you're probably also watching the YouTube channel, I'm very worried because 5% of the battery has already drained.
It's fine. We're gonna hurry up. So Petra doesn't have an adapter, so
Yeah.
we're gonna speed up the live video.
Yeah, or you're gonna go get my adapter. Let's see how it
Maybe.
goes for 5 more minutes. If it's
Yeah, let's speed it up. Okay.
if it's no, let's see how the battery drains during time, because if it's 1% per minute, then it's fine. But if not, I don't want to hurry up. We need to do a quality video here, Bianca. We won't hurry up because we're not doing this for the sake of doing it. We're doing this for creating good quality. But I think even if it's 30, so it drains 2% per minute.
Okay.
So you have to get my keys and get the adapter and hurry up.
Do you want to talk about productive stuff while I'm gone?
Yeah. So here's
This is not your key.
Yeah, so you can get it from my pocket. So unfortunately, I forgot the adapter for my MacBook because my MacBook has been bought from the US.
Wow.
And was bought? Yeah, thanks. Was bought from the US, and this is how it looks like. It doesn't fit with the European chargers.
You won't post anything on my laptop.
I won't post anything on your laptop. I won't post compromising pictures. And the software which I use for creating live videos is using a lot of battery. You're just swiping it. Okay, so hello everyone. Hello Patrick. Hello Rusnaku. Hello Cosmin, Bianca, Marianne. Emmanuel, Claudio, hello everyone. I'm so excited that you're all here. As you may know, we did a giveaway. You can still register for the giveaway if you haven't done that already. You need to register before we are copying the winners on a spreadsheet, and before we are copying the winners to the spreadsheet. And you have, I think, 10 more minutes or so for registering to the giveaway. I'm very curious, what are your plans for this holiday? And I also wonder if you are still in school, or if you're in college, or if you finished studying and you're now working. Please let me know in the comment section. So right there, please let me know what is your age, what's your occupation, what you are doing with your what you're doing with your time during Christmas. I'm so interested on discussing those things. Hello, Andre. Alex is in his 11th grade. Um, Don Paul, he's gonna sing some Christmas carols, so hurry up. Yeah, we won't do the traditional 1 hour live videos. However, I want to talk about some important things regarding Christmas, because for me, Christmas was a bit different compared to the other people who were just um, partying or spending time with the family. I also spent time with my family, but I try to make it as productive as possible. So I was very passionate about writing code. Not necessarily passionate, more like I wanted to have good results. I wanted to become a very good programmer, and I was always frustrated on the school because I had all those uninteresting subjects where I needed to memorize things and then reproduce them in the how I forgot the name, in the exam. Yeah, so I had to reproduce all the knowledge in the exam, and I always had homework and uninteresting things to do. So because of that, I didn't have enough time on my hands. And during every holiday, and especially during Christmas, because on the Christmas there's more like people are more relaxed. During the summer, you also need to help your parents do some all sorts of things, but for Christmas the atmosphere was more relaxed. So I had the only free time. I didn't do my homework. So this is my advice for you, by the way. So because I didn't do my homework, I was only working. I was only programming. And the Christmas is a very good time for creating new habits. Usually people think about Christmas as, oh, this is my cheat week. I'm just gonna relax. I won't do anything productive. I will only watch TV series or playing video games. And I don't think this is a very good idea. Basically, people are thinking, oh, I worked all those days in the last year, and now I'm gonna use this holiday to relax. But there's a big problem here in the way of thinking. So basically, people are doing this because they are hating their work. They are hating what they're doing. And in order to not hate your work anymore, you need to become better at what you're doing. You need to get a better job. You need to finish school, or you need to spend your effort during school on more interesting things. And in order to do that, you need to become better at what you're doing. And if you are using the Christmas time only to relax, only to escape the unpleasantness of school or the unpleasantness of college or of your job, then you won't become better, and basically you remain stuck in the current way of being. You'll be stuck in working the things that you don't like. You'll be stuck in working on the things. I think you got the idea. Sorry for not finding my words. I'm 14 and I'm going to meet with my friends to eat some sarmale. Yeah, the sarmale is one of my favorite foods. It's the first day of the winter holiday, so such a nice way to start it with a giveaway. I'm home, I'm 34. For this year, my goals are to grow in programming skill using your platform. Now I'm working in support for a telecommunications company. I'm a telco engineer. Congratulations. A lot of people are trying to switch their jobs, but when they see how hard it is, they quit it. So you will need a lot of motivation, but the rewards are incredible. You'll be able to afford lots of things. You'll be able to make more money, and also to work on more interesting problems, because probably your job is not that interesting. Currently, I'm a student at Systems Engineering, third year, trying to focus on my Java skills in this holiday, but the book giveaway came just perfectly in this period. I'm so happy about that. Is it snowing, Cluj? Yeah, it started snowing. It's more like a rain combined with snow, but probably it will get colder in the winter. During the day, sorry. Crazy Banana is sick, and yeah, he says that it's unpleasant to work during while being sick. What is your opinion about the university I graduated? I won't talk about universities. I created a video a while ago about universities, so I won't talk about those anymore. Yeah, so as I was saying, winter is the best time to create habits because you don't have all your responsibilities, you don't need to go to school, you don't need to go to your job, so you have more free time. And the way your brain works is it's used to think about the same things. You have trained it basically to think about some things, and you'll find yourself thinking about those every day. Let's say you're very passionate about playing Fortnite, and because you're passionate about playing Fortnite, you're gonna think about it every day. You'll probably play Fortnite every day, and you're gonna see that if you pause playing Fortnite for 1 month or for more than 1 month, you won't be that interested in playing Fortnite anymore. So because of that, you want to train your brain the same way as for playing video games. So you want to train yourself to code. So Bianca brought my adapter. So Bianca is back here, and now we're gonna resume the regular life. Sorry about that. Do you want to tell something to the people while I'm plugging in my laptop?
Yeah, is it raining in your town for Christmas? I was curious. You can drop us a comment in the live video because I was excited that there would be snow. Everybody was excited, I think. And it's raining.
Oh,
it's
okay.
pouring. My hair is all
I thought it's snowing when we left.
Yeah, it's raining now.
It's raining, no more snow. Okay, that's unfortunate. We built an igloo. We built a new headquarters for Wellcode. So if you don't follow us on Instagram, please do so.
Yeah, you'll see our new headquarters. You can even come visit if you make an appointment. We'll be sure to accommodate you whenever we have a free spot.
Yeah. All right. Now there's no more stress.
Cool.
Yeah.
Alex's comment is funny.
Hi, it's better to learn a language first or to code and learn while creating apps. It's better to learn while doing things. Since the school ended, I started eating healthier sandwiches in the morning, and they are great. Congratulations. I need to go back on eating salads because I cheated lately. Thanks a lot for the reminder. Also in winter, it's also not such a good weather, so you can stay in home programming all day long and your friends can call you no lifer because you can't go outside anyway. Very good point. Thanks. By the way, for this comment, we're gonna give you 1 free week of our premium content. So yeah. we are generous today, so if you're writing funny jokes or any interesting things, you're gonna get the 1 week of free content.
Cool.
So please message us on Facebook to get your subscription.
What have you been talking about? Well, let's go to the subject because people are
people are waiting for the giveaway. I covered about building habits and using the free time to build habits because our brain is used to the old way of being, and you want to rewire it. You want to make it think in new ways.
Yeah, let me give you an example actually, because I started preparing for interviews when I was in the last grade in high school, and it was great because I started working every day, and then at some point I went on a 1 week holiday, I don't know where, and then when I came back it was so difficult to pick up those habits again because I had gone out of practice.
Mm-hmm.
So it's very good if you can just read something or just do something every day. It helps.
Yeah, it's good to decide how many hours you want to spend per day learning coding, and then do that. I'm so scared while I'm going to the gym, and I'm so scared about breaking my habit of going to the gym because it's not the most pleasant thing to do. It fills me up with energy, but right while I'm at the gym, it's not that good. So because of that, I started searching for gyms which are open during the Christmas holidays.
Are there any?
Yeah, I found one, and I'm gonna go later today to the gym.
Okay. Yeah, my gym is closed. I didn't stress about it. It's just people are on holiday. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it worth it?
Eh.
Let's answer the questions after we do the giveaway.
Yeah. So that's one important thing. So always think about breaking habits and how do you say the downside of breaking habits, because I always find it very difficult to go back to work after I get sick. Usually when I got sick, I'm very sick and I'm not able to code anymore, and I need to go back on track, and it takes me at least 1 week after I get better to reach my previous way of working.
Yeah.
Okay.
Razvan said we're boring because we're always talking about the same thing. That's what they're important things.
Yeah.
I mean, you have to wire them into your brain. You can't get away from them.
Well, this is a coding related channel. You can't expect us to be very interesting. You wanna get those things into your mind if you wanna become a good programmer.
Do you want me to make a list? Did you make a list?
I'm gonna make a list because
Yeah.
we wanna be very transparent. So the thing is that you have 1 more minute to register on the giveaway. You have a link in the description. If you haven't registered already, take care and do all the requirements, because otherwise you won't be eligible. We're gonna extract you, and if you haven't done all the required things, you're not gonna get the book. We're gonna skip to the next person.
Okay.
So what was the question? I was talking about something.
I don't remember, but I just saw a comment, and I want to point out one thing, that you can't choose the book that you want.
Yeah.
You can only choose the language.
Yeah, so you can either choose all the books like English and Romanian, or you can choose only one language. Yeah, Paul says I hope I win, but he can't participate because he's in the team. Yeah.
Okay.
We also have
Let's do
some
the
presents
list.
for the team. Should we say that or not?
No.
Should
we'll
that be
say
a surprise? Yeah, sorry, I spoiled it. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen, and I'm gonna start copying the names from the video. I'm gonna refresh this thing, and you have to talk about something interesting, Bianca, because we
Well,
don't want to bore the people while I'm
Okay.
copying those.
I'm gonna read the comments.
Shit. No, don't read those. Read the comments on the live. All
The
right.
comments on the live. Okay. What
So,
devices?
Christmas giveaway.
Okay, I'm gonna speak while Petru is writing. Bogdan is asking what devices we're using for this live. Can you do a brief description about your actual setup? Well, Petru is streaming from a MacBook Pro 2018 with what are
OBS
you
Studio.
OBS Studio. For
So
streaming.
we don't have a preference regarding language, so I'm gonna just put it on both, and then English, and then Romanian.
Wait, you can, if somebody's for both, you can type them in for both, I think.
Oh, actually, I'm gonna do a different thing. I'm just gonna create the list, and then I say preference. And if we're extracting the book for an English book, and the chosen person wants only Romanian, we're gonna extract a new person.
But you can do 2 columns, one for English, one for
No, it's too complicated. We're just gonna do the extraction
okay,
again.
whatever. Is it worth learning
Quite told that I
Python?
want the Romanian book because there's lots of trouble with focus and have most. So she wants the Romanian book or not? I speak English quite well, but I want the Romanian book because I have lots of trouble with focus. But you can't choose the book.
The Romanian books, maybe? Oh, no, the Romanian book. Okay.
She said what she
I'll
wants.
just suppose she wants Romanian.
It's only Romanian?
I'll suppose that. If you're on the live and you want both of them, please comment. Irina. Irina, Stefana, Andrei.
Okay. Pavel Alex doesn't have any preference. Pavel Alex. Pavel Alex. Popovic Maria.
Oh, apparently Paul says there's a site that gives you a random comment from a clip.
I'm just gonna copy those because I haven't tested the site before.
But
We don't want to skip anyone, so we want to make it as transparent as possible. So because that program might not get all the comments, we haven't tested it beforehand, and it's just better to, even though copying those names is.
Paul says it works. It seems like it's working. I mean, I'm testing it and it looks legit. You can just see, it just gives you a random. It's much faster and people are gonna be bored if you copy out everything.
Okay, then send me the link.
Okay, cool.
So are you ready?
Yeah, let's, I'll send you the link on on the chat. We're gonna use this tool for picking up a winner. And just click on it. Where is it?
I haven't got it.
Wait. What? Apparently my message did not send.
Has Paul put the link in the chat or not?
Paul just put it, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got it.
Cool, just input the video for the Christmas giveaway.
All right. So, what's the order of the books?
Click button below to pick a winner.
So, first book is which one?
I don't know which order we specified them in. Let's do English and then Romanian. So the first one is So Good They Can't Ignore You. And then the second one is Elon Musk and blah blah, the long title. And the third one is iRobot. iRobot. And then the Romanian books are gonna be Deep Work. And then by Isaac Asimov, The Foundation. Prelude to Foundation, yeah. And then the sixth one is Fight Club.
Fight Club.
Cool.
Okay, so first book and the best one. Actually, let's go from the first because this is the best book.
Okay, Fight Club is still a very good book.
Yeah. So
let's talk about each book before we do the extraction.
Yeah. So Fight Club is a book about what's the book about?
It's about a guy who is not very.
No,
it's very materialistic.
It's not about the guy. It's about the whole idea of buying things that you don't need. You probably saw the movie. If you haven't saw the movie, I highly recommend it. I don't want to spoil the whole ideas. It's very related to the current society, and the book goes way deeper into the subject compared to the movie.
Okay, Cosmin is suggesting to pick the winner and assign the next book available. That's one way to do it. We decided to do it book by book.
Yeah.
Let's pick somebody.
So the winner for Fight Club is. Click button below to pick a winner.
Randomly pick winner. Alex Susanu.
Okay.
O carte în limba română.
Yeah,
it's
so
fine.
Fight Club is in Romania.
Okay.
So
Alex Susanu
congratulations for winning Fight Club. Okay, the next one is Prelude to Foundation. The Foundation is a 7-book series. It's about a mathematician, but it's a very captivating book. When I was in the exam session, I stopped learning for the exams. I just read the whole series and then I recommended it to Bianca and she did the same thing.
Why are you closing the tab? Don't close the tab.
I'm not
Okay.
closing it. And it's a very captivating book. It also goes into a bit of philosophy, so it's very interesting.
Well suggested to verify each.
Yeah, thanks a lot
person's
for
Facebook
the
post.
reminder. Let's see if
Yay! Wait, that's a different. Oh well, probably
look,
he has a different.
I don't want notifications.
He has a different name on Facebook, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
One share. Someone shared his post.
Great.
Okay.
So let's pick the next winner for the.
Prelude of the Foundation. And it's Sebastian Texi. He doesn't have any preference. And let's check his post.
He wants deep work, but you can't choose the
You
book.
can't choose the book. Sebastian
But
Texi.
congrats for winning the foundation. I hope you like it. It's a great book. I couldn't let it down until I finished the whole series.
Yeah, it's a very good book. Next one, Deep Work. This one I haven't finished. It stays near my bed. I'm trying to implement every advice about how to work better. It's a very good book for people who are trying to learn how to write code and for people who are working in STEM fields or even in the creative fields when you need to dive really deep in what you are working on.
Yeah, I read it once and then I started reading it again because I wanted to take it slowly.
Yeah, let's see who's the winner for Deep Work. Christian Roatis.
Okay, he shared his profile link with a mobile view. Wait, you were supposed to share the link to the post. I don't see the post. Those are old shares though. You shouldn't scroll down anymore.
Yeah. Let's
Well-
see, maybe some desktop.
Yeah, I mean, it should be the same content.
Yeah, it's not publicly shared.
Sorry, but
Sorry, next one.
yeah, next one. Maybe next time. Well, yeah, I want everybody to win.
So, Sergio Linte.
And he shared.
Yeah,
He shared it. Cool.
Wait.
I think.
this
This
is...
is our share, I think.
Yeah, this is our share.
Yeah, I mean,
Should we search
Control
for him?
F for Facebook this is gonna take forever.
Yeah, sorry, you should have... we
You should be patient. Like you're coding and you make a small mistake. Sorry, but it ruins the whole program.
Yeah, we won't search for you, sorry.
Okay. Next one. Adrian Trandafir. Okay, this is
This looks right.
and he would prefer deep work, and he won deep work.
Did he?
I think so.
Yeah. So, congratulations.
Congrats to Adrian. You won what you wanted. I think deep work is a very popular book. A lot of people specified they wanted it.
All right, and now let's go into the English books.
Just enlarge the column because it
Yeah.
drives my OCD crazy.
Yeah, so iRobot is a very fun book. Basically, it's a book consisting of stories, so you won't have that feeling of starting a book and then pausing to read it, and then you forget who the characters were. So every story takes 10 minutes or so to read it. It's very fun. It also makes you think about artificial intelligence and the power of it. Okay, let's pick another winner for iRobot.
Laurențiu Dev.
Lawrence Dev.
Okay.
Let's see. Yeah,
You shared it. Congrats. Sorry that you didn't win one of the books you specified, but you could have specified the language.
but
But it's still a great book, and I'm sure you'll love it.
yeah. Basically, those non-fiction, those fictional books are very
Fiction.
good. Yeah, those fiction books are very good at motivating you because you're gonna start thinking about robots, and then you'll start wanting to build your own. I remember 2 years ago I built a homework system for my students, and I also built a recommender system, basically an AI which recommends what to work in order to become better at coding contests and Olympiads. And
based on your experience so far.
yeah, based on what you worked so far. And reading those books has inspired me to create those things and to automate the process of learning and
And
training.
Isaac Asimov inspired Elon Musk to think about sending people into space and becoming a multiplanetary species, which is exciting.
Yeah. All right, so we have the book about Elon Musk. You probably know who's Elon Musk. So we gonna pick a winner for Elon Musk.
Ooh.
I would love to win an English book.
Cool. Yeah, you won an English book. Let's see the link.
Olivia.
Okay, congrats Olivia. You won what did you win? Elon Musk.
Elon Musk.
Cool. That's a great book.
So and now the book, the most desired book. I think the most comments wanted this book. So good they can't ignore you.
And Bogdan Idescu, wasn't he?
Books in English.
Oh no, I think this is the first.
What's this link? Will I get a virus?
Maybe. Click it. It's
Oh,
fine.
okay. I didn't get the virus. Oh, okay.
Great. So you won an English
Congratulations.
book. You won maybe the most desired book.
Yeah.
I think this was my favorite from the list, and the second favorite is Elon Musk. I think for me. Also, the Purdue 2.0. I mean, everything is on top of my list of books.
It's hard to choose.
It's very hard.
Okay, so thanks a lot everyone for participating. If you have any questions, we'll be here for 5 more minutes.
Yeah, somebody said that we should always also check that they liked the Cartepedia's page. I hope they did.
We don't have any means of checking that because we can't access all the likes.
I mean, we'll
think about a way of validating it, but I don't think we have access to all the people who liked it.
I have to search on Google if you can access the likes. Wait, let me check. If I go on Cartepedia, does anybody know how to check if somebody likes the page? Anyway, which shows the.
We'll suppose that it's Christmas and people are generous. Because even if they haven't liked it, they could just like it after they see they won it,
right.
and then they can unlike it. So there's no reason in checking that out.
Okay, cool. We'll just assume you were nice and liked the page, and we can enter the profile of the winners. But we're gonna do that after the video.
So if you are a winner and you wanna get your book faster, you can contact us. If not, we're gonna contact the winners. I hope this will be a motivation for everyone to start reading more and to start thinking about new things and become a better person in 2019. And until next time, don't forget that we have if you're from Romania, we have huge price cuts on 2019.welco.ro.
Yeah, the idea with putting the number before the welco.ro excited me.
Yeah, it's because a lot of people have asked for price cuts. They asked for the features that we added to the advanced modules. So don't forget to sign up for those if you wanna become a better programmer. If you wanna learn how to write code at a higher level. And Cosmin Morar says, I've got a book called You Also Have a Brain. Yeah, it's fun. Yeah, so don't forget to contact us if you're among the winners. Do we have any other questions?
Someone said you're the best.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think that's all.
That's all, folks, like in Looney Tunes. Any ideas that I can do in console C++, please? I'm out of ideas. I don't understand the question. Do you
Like
understand it?
I think he wants to code something in C++ and print like you did with the games that you coded in
Oh,
C++.
you can check for that. You can check the last 2 live videos on Well Code Weekly version 2.0.
Yeah, and if you code a better version of the same game, you can leave a link to your code in the description of the video, and it's gonna be exciting. Everybody will see it. People who want to see it will see it.
Yeah, and also don't forget to check our content on Wellcode, wellcode.com or wellcode.ro if you're from Romania. I'm from Chișinău. Well, I have just started to learn programming with your platform in Romanian language. After 3 courses, will it make sense to start learning it in English? Well, basically the content in English is the same as the content in Romanian, so you can continue in Romanian. The English version doesn't have all the content of the Romanian one yet.
Yeah.
But I just worked on a feature and we'll have translators on the platform soon, so stay tuned. Okay.
Yeah, but anyway, the content is the same. You don't need to worry about the language you're learning, and if you understand it, it's completely fine. Yeah, let's leave people to enjoy their holiday seasons and.
Yeah, so thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget you are here for learning how to write code, don't waste your time. That's what I wanted to say. Try to use the vacation as productively as possible and in such a way that when you are looking back to the Christmas of 2018, you'll be happy with the decisions you made. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you'll have a great vacation, great holidays, and I wish you all the best.